Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Tyler here at WorkBrow Attachments. I am the Midwest Territory Manager, and today we're out here in Las Vegas, Nevada here at ConExpo looking at our newly designed hydraulic tilting grading bucket. This particular unit was purchased by Komatsu Northeast, one of our partners located in Eastern Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York, Maryland, and Delaware. So this bucket here is available for excavators ranging from 1 to 50 metric tons. Capacities typically ranging from anywhere from an 1/8 cubic yard up to 3 cubic yard, with bucket widths ranging anywhere from 36 to 84 inches wide. Designed to enhance the machine's grading performance, the hydraulic tilting grading bucket is capable of tilting 45 degrees in either direction. This increased range of motion helps improve productivity, specifically in grading applications. The bucket includes drainage holes as a standard, allowing for better material flow. This new design has an optimized profile, which helps make debris easier to pick up. We've also added an improved spill guard to the top of the bucket to provide added protection for hoses and cylinders. As with all of our ditching buckets, a bolt-on cutting edge is also included and added for convenience. This product is definitely not for those who are in tough digging applications or prying applications. We would suggest moving to our heavy duty bucket or our severe duty ditch bucket. This bucket is more ideal for precision grading, ditch cleaning, sloping applications, and it eliminates the need for separate tilting attachments. Thanks again for tuning in. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your interest in WorkBrow. Big shout out to our dealer, Komatsu Northeast. If you have any more questions about this specific bucket, don't hesitate to reach out to your local dealer or contact us directly. And don't forget to like, subscribe to our social media channels, and thanks again for tuning in.